Hi and welcome to the Spoken English series. In our first video, we had recorded about the greetings, casual greetings when you meet a new person or when you meet a friend. Let us continue to the next task and see what do we have in today's lesson. Today we have differences between the spoken and written English. We have written English and the spoken English listed separately. There's very little difference between the two. When English is written in formal English, full form is used. That is, he is. The full form of is used. When English is spoken, contractions are used. That means the O has been removed from here, from did not, and it becomes didn't. Let us see the examples that we have today with is, are, and am only. I am a teacher. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I'm a tailor. He is. She is. It is. In spoken English, it is pronounced as his, she's. His, she's, it's. He's a tailor. She's a teacher. It's a book. We are. They are. You are. In spoken English, we are. They are. You are. We are. They are. You are. Am I not? Aren't I? Aren't I? Is not. Isn't. He is not. She is not. He is not coming today. He isn't. She isn't. He isn't coming today. Let us proceed and see the examples. Is he not? Is she not? In the spoken English we'll have isn't he or isn't she? Isn't he coming today? Isn't she coming today? Is it not? Is it not right? Is it not true? Isn't it? Isn't it right? Isn't it true? With the name of a person, Amit is, Monica is, the teacher is, Amit is writing. Amit's, Monica, teacher is, Amit's writing. What is the matter? What's the matter? That is the book that I wanted. That's the book that I wanted. Who is that person? Who is in the family? Who is that person? Who is in your family? Who has a book? Who has my book? Here's the pen. Here's the pen. Here is the pen. There is no difference. There's no difference. Where is your school situated? Where is your school situated? When is the program? When's When's? When's the program? How is? How is he now? How is? How is? How is he now? Why is? Why is the metro late? Why is? Why is? Why is the metro late? Where is? Where is? Where is Mariam? Where is? Where is? Where's Mariam? Let us proceed to the task. The situation is that you have met a new person, or maybe a friend, and you want to ask about his or her family, her school, etc. Greet the person using the greetings for a friendly meeting. Ask a question about his or her family. Listen carefully to the reply. Allow your friend to ask a question about your school. Reply using the structure it is situated in, and then take leave. Let us look at one example. The sample conversation, it is similar to what we have done earlier. The similar structure is listed in blue and the new questions are in black. Let us proceed. I will read only the conversation part, not the name of the person. Hello, Asma. Hello, Sadia. How are you, Asma? I'm fine, thank you. What about you? I'm fine too. Where is Mariam? Oh, she's not coming today. She's not coming today. Where's your school situated? It is in Dubai. It is in Dubai. It was a pleasure talking to you. Same here. Take care. I will, thank you. Have a good day. I will, thanks. Bye. If you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload the next video for this series, you get the notification. Thank you.